friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we are going to make these beautiful coasters which you can use for your dining table or side tables of your bedroom or even the tables of your drawing room. You can use this pattern as dollies as well. Interesting part of this video is that this project can be made by scrap yarn as well. So enjoy learning. The things that we require for this project are a yarn of your choice, pair of scissors and a hook of 9 mm. So let's begin. At first we'll make the magic chain as usual. Now chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. We'll join the two parts with slip stitch like this. Now chain 3, which will work as a double crochet. Now we have to make double crochet to complete the circle. 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 and this is 26th. Now we'll join here with slip stitch like this. Now the magic circle is complete. Now we'll make chain 1, 2, 3 again, which will work as a double crochet. Now in the next double crochet below we have to make one more double crochet. Now chain 2. Again we have to skip 2 double crochet. On the third one we have to make double crochet 1 and on the next one we have to make double crochet 2. Again chain 2, skip 2. On the third one we have to make double crochet 1. In the next double crochet we have to make double crochet 2. Complete the circle in the same way. When you will complete the circle, you will find that there are 8 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now chain 1, 2, 3. In this double crochet below we have to make double crochet 1. In the next one double crochet 2 and over here double crochet 3. Now chain 2. Here we will make double crochet 1. Over here double crochet 2, double crochet 3 and double crochet 4. Chain 2. So we have to complete this round by making 4 double crochet above the 2 double crochet below. So complete the round following the same pattern. This is how the round is complete. Now we'll join here with slip stitch. Again we have to make chain 3 and double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4 and double crochet 5. So there are 6 now. Chain 2, again we have to make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, 4, 5 and this one is 6th one. So what we have to do, we have to make 1 double crochet here and 4 double crochet above, 4 double crochet below and 1 double crochet on this side. So there would be 6 now. Chain 2. Complete the round following the same pattern. Now the round is complete. We'll join here with slip stitch. Chain 3 again. This time we are going to make 8 double crochet. Double crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 8 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Chain 2. Again we'll repeat the same pattern. Double crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and this one is 8. Chain 2. Now complete the round following the same pattern. When we'll complete the round, we'll join it here with slip stitch. Now chain 3 again. We have to do double crochet on each double crochet below. This time we are not going to increase any double crochet. So there are 4 now. Chain 2. Again we have to make double crochet 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chain 2. Double crochet 1, 2, 3, 4. Chain 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now complete the round following the same pattern by making 4 double crochet, then 2 chain in between and then again double crochet 4. Chain 2, double crochet 4, chain 2, double crochet 4. Complete the round following the same pattern. When the round is complete, the next step is to make double crochet from this loop. Double crochet 1, chain 1, double crochet 1, chain 1, double crochet 1, chain 1, double crochet 1, chain 1. We have to make 8 double crochet here. So we have already made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Join here in this loop with slip stitch. Now again we have to begin double crochet 1, chain 1, 2, chain 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Join here with slip stitch. Now keep on doing this pattern till the end of the round. Now this round is complete. For the next round we have to make a single crochet here and we have to reach here. Now chain 1, 2, 3. Join it here with slip stitch. Again 1, 2, 3 chain. Slip stitch. 1, 2, 3. Join here with slip stitch. Chain 1, 2, 3. Again slip stitch. 1, 2, 3. So we have to do chain 3 on each double crochet below so that the pattern would look more beautiful. One, 2, 3 and join here with slip stitch. Again we have to do single crochet 1, single crochet 2. Now keep on doing the same pattern till the end of the round. This is how the coasters are complete. Make one for yourself and win the adorable comments. Thank you so much.